Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, I'm focusing on AMC. Tomorrow is the big day. We are looking at Thursday or Friday for the date based off my research and technical analysis and due diligence for this big move. So in this video, we're going to address that, where we're at with everything, what I think is going on, and we are focusing on AMC, doing a deep dive on what to expect for the next couple of days. So guys, you don't want to miss a second of this update. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC, ticker AMC. All right, guys, so we have a lot going on today. Obviously, tomorrow or Friday is when we are expecting that breakout. So I want to talk about that and more in this video, what I think is going on. And if I happen to be wrong, I don't think I am, but if we do not see this breakout this week, where we are at with things and moving forward. So let's go ahead and look at AMC, see what's going on. So first of all, something very, very promising. Right now, the Bollinger Bands on the hourly time frame are constricting, getting very, very tight, telling us volatility is coming. AMC is looking very, very bullish. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to explain a couple scenarios for tomorrow, what I'm looking at, what the technical analysis is saying, where we're at. So right here is the sloping resistance of the 2-year falling wedge. So we have this huge sloping resistance right here that if we break out of, it is going to be huge. If we break out of this falling wedge, it's on. It is on. AMC is going to go into an uptrend. We are going to see a nice move to the upside. This has been resistance time after time, rally after rally, time after time. We have met our doom to this resistance. I remember this rally here. They halted us, shorted us, trying to stop momentum, trying to keep us from breaking this resistance. But finally, they are out of ammo. They have little influence. The market is crashing. AMC is holding up while the entire market is capitulating. Guys, this is everything that apes have predicted and more. The markets are collapsing. AMC is up. It's holding up. It's looking strong. We are about to break out. Weekly Bollinger Bands telling us massive volatility coming. Green weekly MACD. Last time we had these things, we had this run up and this run up. But we are looking to break out of this resistance. As you guys can see, we tested it already yesterday, and now we tested it pre-market, and we tested it again and again and again and again today, hitting our heads constantly on it. Now, the only thing that could happen is we get a strong rejection or we blast through this. It looks like we are pushing on it and going to blast through, and that's exactly what we want to see for this barge pattern to play out, see us blast through so we can get this momentum to the upside, this push to the upside, and start seeing this move that we are looking for. So we need to break this resistance. Now, here's what I'm looking at. Tomorrow, we are right on the line. So tomorrow, if we wake up and AMC is up pre-market and up decent pre-market, like 2, 3, 4, 5% or more, we're looking extremely, extremely good. Now, if we do have a gap up pre-market, we might come back down to retest the trend line, but then we can take off. Normally, there's always a retest, especially after strong support and resistance that's been so strong for 2 years. There's probably going to be a big, big breakout and then a retest of this line and then a move to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at. Also, we are in this symmetrical triangle right now, this ascending triangle. I do apologize. This ascending triangle or bullish pennant. As you guys can see, there's a slightly low resistance, so it's a bullish pennant or ascending triangle. But if we stay in this formation, it is pushing us up through and also calling for a breakout between Thursday or Friday. Is calling for this breakout as long as this formation maintains. And this formation would actually correlate with the breakout, because you guys can see if we can get above, push out and test the resistance and then retest it and then boom, push to the upside. Again, you want to see this blue line here break out, retest and push to the upside. That can
confirms the breakout. Now, again, if we wake up in the morning and this is up pre-market, it is on again. We might have a dump and then pump to the upside, or it could just absolutely take off. That is the most bullish scenario. That's what I would love to see, but we have to stay realistic. Now, there's another scenario here that we could have slight pullback pre-market, but there is little room for error here. So either this trend line can break that we've been in. This is a small trend line. This blue line is the more important line. This could break and we could push to the downside and then pop to the upside either Thursday or Friday. So get rejected from the trend line, come back down to that 460, 480 region one more time, and then boom, push to the upside. Now that would correlate with what the bars pattern is saying. We could be at two places with the bars pattern. We could be at breakout point, or we could see a small rejection and then hear what it's saying at April 20. As you guys can see, it kind of goes into the 27th to the 28th where we break out. But as you guys can see right here is at the bottom of the screen, the dates. But as you guys can see, the 27th to the 28th is where we should see significant move to the upside to about the $6 range, at least $5.50, $6 range, as you guys can see by the end of the week. And if we get to those ranges by the end of the week, that means this bars pattern is most likely playing out, and we could see a significant gap up on Monday or Tuesday the next week, and then start playing out the rest of this pattern. And if this plays out, guys, I am happy because we have the keys. We will be able to see exact support and resistance levels for this run and be able to make the maximum amount of money. Now, even if this doesn't play out and this does break to the downside, and for whatever reason this doesn't happen, it looks like it's very clearly going to happen, but for whatever reason, shorts are at the end of their ropes. They cannot keep doing this. The reverse split vote was illegal. Adam Aaron rigged it when he sold Ape to Ontario. The courts are going to see that, so that's pretty much in the bag. But for whatever reason, let's say for whatever reason we live in an alternate universe and that doesn't happen and the reverse split goes through. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The play's done, all right? The play is done if the reverse split goes through. I know you don't want to hear that, but I'm just being real with you. I know you might unsubscribe or whatever the case may be, but if you unsubscribe because you hear the truth, I mean, that's on you. But hey, the play's done if the reverse splits happen. They'll erase the FTDs and it's over. So this is what I'm looking at based off of my research and my technical analysis. Guys, hopefully tomorrow is the day or the day after. So Thursday or Friday, we see this breakout. And again, this will take time to happen because as you guys can see the dates on the bottom, this takes many days to play out. And if I were to be, I wasn't able to get the whole fractal to fit, but if I were, you guys can kind of get the visualization of what happens afterwards. We get into an uptrend and then launch to an even higher high for AMC. So if this plays out, we have good things ahead of us, good things to look forward to. Again, fundamental data looking good. Short interest at 26.6%. Failure to delivers absolutely through the roof for AMC, as you guys can see. Failure to delivers absolutely through the roof. If we go ahead and refresh, you can see 12 million FTDs, and we have FTDs coming due, and that is what they wanted to erase with the reverse split. They wanted to get rid of these FTDs because these are about to become a huge problem. That's why they keep pushing AMC off of the threshold security list. They cannot have more things brought to the spotlight. And if the FTDs get brought to the spotlight, it is going to be a huge problem. It's indicative of naked shorting, and AMC has more naked or more FTDs than almost any stock I've ever seen in my whole life. So guys, there's clearly naked shorting going on, and we have a ton of ammo coming due, coming home to roost. T plus 35 closeout dates, as you guys can see, all through April and May. These FTDs will be coming due, and more of them, more and more will coming due, and that's what could give us the ammo to push us up to those extreme crazy prices. Once they realize that they're not getting their reverse split, they're not able to erase the FTDs, they're not able to get rid of everything and cover their shorts during the reverse split, so they're going to be screwed. They're going to be trapped because they were going to cover during the reverse split. They were going to erase the FTDs and reset everything. Okay, they were going to put everything back and basically screw over the people that wanted to continue holding AMC. But Now that they realize that that is almost a far-fetched dream and the courts are involved, it's not going down, they're going to realize it's over. They're going to capitulate. So even if this doesn't happen and we don't see this breakout, it's almost over. And the technical analysis is telling me that this is it too, because look at this. Look, we're at the tip of the wet. Like, this is it. The writing's on the wall for me, based off of my research, based off of my due diligence. This is what I believe. You guys can believe whatever you want. This is my research. This is my due diligence. This is what I believe. MOAS is coming soon. AMC short squeeze is coming soon. We are going to see astronomical numbers that people never thought possible. And a lot of people are going to be really upset they didn't hold on to their AMC. So guys, this is what I have for you. Hopefully you found this video informative. Again, if you want to find more updates, up-to-date information on AMC, you could check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. We talk about stocks, crypto all day long. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and check it out. It's linked in the comment section in the description below. Absolutely free. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates, especially Discord. We talk about stocks, AMC, crypto all day long. So if you want real-time updates, go ahead and check that out. It's absolutely free. Link down in the comment section description below. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you that watches to the end of the video. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.